Alright, so this is the new Harley place here in St. Augustine. Haven't been here yet. Told my brother, hey, we need to go and check it out. I heard it's a cool place, and before this, the other one is in Daytona, and there's another one in Jacksonville. So I guess this one's right in the middle, right? St. Augustine is between Daytona and Jacksonville. I do feel that, oh wow, look at this place. Wow, this is nice. Really? Pretty. I like this bike a lot. Look at how classic it looks. I think this is a Fat Bob. Very future looking type. But then look how gorgeous the classic Harley looks. That is the same bike.
Wow. You see the brakes on this?
Let me see.
Now that's brakes.
Oh, wow. That's how they're supposed to be?
I think so.
Look at the tire this bike has. Never had this bike spend some money. Look at that. Wow. That thing is big, man. Yeah. It's like a cannon.
Vance and Hines already done too.
Look at that. Oh, look. You should do this to yours. That looks really nice. Alright, I like this place. I really did. The guy was nice. No one attacked us. No one harassed us. No one said anything stupid. I mean, it was nice. Last time I went to the other place in Daytona, it wasn't that nice. And little brother actually bought a $40 hat. He likes it though. He's like, I gotta buy my first Harley Davidson merchandise. I'm like, well, I bought a motorcycle. Wouldn't that be considered that? But anyways, he bought like a $35, maybe $40. I don't even know. It was an expensive hat. Oh yeah. I gotta tell you guys, there were some gorgeous, just gorgeous motorcycles there. That Ultra Road Glide, to me, it's just gorgeous. And Electric Glide as well. You know, I like how it's all blacked out and the trunk is blacked out, which is kind of weird because I really don't like blacked out motorcycles. I do like the traditional look, the chrome. And in a way, I kind of feel like Harley's losing a lot of the traditional motorcycles. Everything is blacked out. Everything is this. Everything is like very futuristic. If you want to put it that way, I mean, it is what it is. You got a lot of new riders, and some people like that stuff. Nothing wrong with that. As long as we ride, that's the best thing about it. But what I'm saying is that, you know, the black is really not my cup of tea. But, man, maybe I'm getting into it. Because that Road Glide blacked out. There was one there blacked out with a trunk. That thing was gorgeous. That thing was just gorgeous. I consider, you know, kind of small about it, but I was like, maybe I should trade mine in. But of course not. I just got bars on my bike, and I'm loving my bike. Plus, I'm gonna tell you, I don't think I'm ever gonna get rid of this bike. I really don't, because what you're gonna get out of this bike is really not gonna be much. Now, let's think about it. It's a 2005 Road King, right? It has about 10,000 miles, 155 right now, which is great. You know, it doesn't have a lot of miles, but so far I have upgraded my bags. That was about $450. I upgraded my bars, another $1,000. So really, you're gonna lose all that money, and really, for a 2005 Road King Classic with an 88 cubic inch engine, what are we expected to get? You know, you're not gonna get a lot of money. You may get something like, I don't know, a few $1,000s, maybe 3, maybe 4,000. I mean, I have no idea. When you're riding the highway, you see all those cracks in the floor. I don't like them. I like to be kind of staggered to my brother, but you know, some of those cracks in the floor may pick up your front tire and make it do some weird stuff. But again, you know, about $3,000-$4,000 for a bike that, you know, values more. So the best thing you could do is to sell it in the used market to somebody privately. That would be the best thing to do. But overall, if you take it to a dealer, they're gonna, like, you know, not give you that much money. And I don't want to say that they're taking advantage of you, by no means, because the reality is that they got to make money as well. You know, they have to make a living and they have to make money. So very, very easy. They need to make a few $1,000s, so they're not going to be giving you that much money. So if you're looking at a new bike, to me, it's just better to save some money and put a down payment than actually trading in my bike. It's just not going to be a good deal for me. And I'm going to tell you, I love my Road King. I really do. So if I ever decide to buy a newer bike, like an Ultra or something like that, yeah, it's going to be great. I'm going to love to put my wife in the back, but I'm going to have this thing in the garage as well. It's not going to be something that I'm going to be giving away, because check it out. Insurance on this thing is like $20-something. So other than registration and insurance, really the expenses that you're going to have in this motorcycle is not going to be much. So I would prefer just to keep it. Anyways, guys, I'm going to tell you something, and you know, I'm going to be as nice as I can. I love vlogging, but I also love writing, and sometimes vlogging gets in the way. So I appreciate you guys watching. Stay tuned. We got a lot more videos coming up, and as always, God is in control.